Hello friend, today I will tell about World Environment Day 2021, its theme, history and significance. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5th every year. World Environment Day theme 2021 is the ecosystem restoration. It is celebrated to generate the awareness of the environment and nature. The theme for World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration, and Pakistan will be the global host for the big day. This day will also see the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. In 2020, the theme was Celebrated Biodiversity. World Environment Day History. The United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972, which was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. In 1974, it was celebrated with the theme Only One Earth. Since then, various host countries has been celebrated it, and the idea for rotating the center of this activity started. World Environment Day was first observed in 1974 in the US. Significance of the day. The main idea behind the celebrating World Environment Day is to highlight the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. According to United Nations, this day provides us with an opportunity to broaden the basis for the enlightened opinions and responsible conduct by communities, enterprises, individuals in pursuing and enhancing the environment. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.